How's math? We start out with a hard one. Now we're going to do another one. Get bigger because bigger is funner. I'm going to give you the x squared. Wait, where's my good pen? There you go. X squared plus 8x. Last time we had 7x and 12. So last time we had 7x and 12. This time we're going to have 8x and 12. So we still just have 12, but now we have an extra x. Oh, you already know. Okay, use the others. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Perfect. You already know how to build it because you're going to make it so that those two guys will fit in there, right? Yeah. All right. Woohoo! All right, tell me the factors.
X plus 2 and x plus 6.
Yay! Millie got it right again! Yay! The math genius. X plus 2, x plus 6. All right, now we're just going to get tricky, and we're going to leave it 8x. But this time, instead of trying to put 12 in there, I'm going to try and put 15. All right, sit up and go.
How many x do we need? 8?
Still 8. Still 8. Good question, because you got to know how many. But now we want to put 15 in there. Oh, my. How do you think you're going to get 15 to fit in there?
I'm not telling you.
Okay, not till it's done. Oh, you already got it. Yay! Look how smart Millie is. She got the answer. Yay! I like it. And you grabbed 3 5s instead of a bunch of 3s. I like it a lot. Economy of blocks. Economy of manipulative. Excellent job. Tell me the answer. Get it? Excellent.
X plus 3 and x plus 5.
Done. I don't think I can make a hard one for you. I think you could do any problem I asked you to do. Let's try and do. You want to get bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do 9x. Dun dun dun. And let's do 9x and what should we do?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's do 9x and 18. We're getting pretty big, Millie. You got 9x? Oh, you're going to grab a bunch of 3s? Let's do it. 3, 6, 9, 12.
Where's another 3?
15.
18.
18. Yay! Millie got it right again. Yay! Mui to Muka is very excited. All right. So, what are my factors?
X plus 3 and x plus 8.
What?
6.
Okay. I was going to say, do you have 8 there? You can count them. You can see there's only 6. Do me a favor. Get rid of those 3s and grab some 6s instead. You're not wrong.
There's no 18 and 6s. Look.
Yeah, there you go. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Grab me some 6s. 6, 12, 18. See it?
Uh-huh.
And that way you wouldn't have miscounted, right?
Yeah.
You need a break?
Yeah.
Okay. You want some coconut water? Get some coconut water. Your brain's been running. You've been doing crazy algebra. All right. CrewTunderMoansHouseofMath.com for more.